was gonna curl my hair for this fully, but it's like 1,000,000 degrees in UK right now, and I just gave up in the middle. I'm great. I'm great. I'm great. I'm good. Please tell me it's double cute and I'm not delusional. Some people like to watch torture, so... Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I have created this soft pastel eye inspired by Little Mermaid. If you would like to see how I did it, keep watching. I'm going to start with a hydrating primer because our skin needs to glisten, so I'm using this. I don't know where's the camera here. I keep looking like looking for a lens. I'm also going to use some pore filler. I hope I'm looking in the good direction, because you know what? Nobody likes those beauty ladies that are looking at themselves. For foundation, I'm using this foundation, and I'm going to use some of these drops. Those are like highlighter drops. I'm gonna use them into the foundation to create more of a glass face effect, or hopefully, because you know I need some coverage too. Let's hope this will work. This might be way too dark. Okay, definitely giving glass face, but also it gives a mask because this is definitely not my shade. Girls, you know what it means. If it's the summer and you go outside one time, you think you're in your summer shade, you're not. Really not. This used to be my summer shade all the time. What happened? I stopped leaving the house, I guess. Okay, I'm also going to conceal some places, like the cheeks, middle of the face, with this, which will probably lighten it up a lot. Probably make it my shade. Whoa. That's a different color. You know what? Let's just go for it. This might be better. I'm going to color correct a bit under my eyes. Peach, don't mind my palette, it's been used, so I'm gonna do the under eye concealing and everything else later after I do eyeshadows. So I want something very soft and pastel-y because basically I'm trying to get inspired by the new Little Mermaid movie, and I've seen a lot of looks and they are just very much Halloween-y. Like you could put on a red wig and just be Little Mermaid, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I just want to be able to enjoy the colors in a look that can be worn for every day instead of just out. I'm going to mix these two. They are both very sparkly, so don't mind my nails. Those are my normal nails. I have like a little brush. I don't know, to be honest, why I'm using a little brush like that, but I am. I've put more pink than a purple. I started with dabbing because I want this to be very soft. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend. So I've blended all the edges of this light purple, and I think now I'm going to get a green. I'm using this one right here. It's quite an electric green, so I'm not going to use a lot, but it's also sparkly. So I'm just going to dab this in the corner. You know what? I don't want a lot. Like, I don't want this to be really strong, but I want like a hue of this shade all around the inner portion of the eye, so like something like that. So I'm just going to mirror the bottom with the purple. This is more like a pastel interpretation. You can just dab it lightly without actually getting the color really rich. Well, now I have this shade in here as well. This is also sparkly, but it's kind of a seafoam green or like greenish bluish kind of shade, and I kind of want to add it to the outside here. You all want the edges to disappear, like a cloud of color. So see here, it's a little too much. So I'm just gonna take my sponge and dab it in a little bit just to diffuse a little more. I'm just gonna add a little more intensity by the roots of the lashes on the top. Yes, I think this is really cute. Sort of a candy color interpretation. More of that pink and purple mix right through the eyebrow. And just to blend it in a little more. When in doubt, dab. Okay, I want more of the green under the eye. So although pastels look quite good on me because I'm quite pale, I still need a little bit of definition on the outer corner because otherwise my eye just looks too light. So I'm going to use a green eyeliner pencil. It's just in the waterline. And I'm using the smudgy end of the pencil to smudge it a little bit. Now also for mascara, I'm going to use brown, just because if I use black on my particular skin tone, because I'm pale, it will kind of get rid of the soft effect of pastel. Trust me, use brown if you're pale. If you're not pale, use black definitely, and darker pastels, but you know, we all work with what we got. I got light. When I bend like this, can you see my gray hair? Can you? So I'm just going to add some light under my eyes with the eye brightener. Light. I'm going to add some contour as well. This is just a contour stick. This is actually, I think, foundation stick. You know what? I feel I should be more bronzed up, but if I do, it might actually ruin the look because it might make it less soft. I think it's fine. It's fine. I'm just going to add some powder under my eyes. You know what? This look deserves loads of blush. I think loads of blush will be good for us. This kind of purpley blush. I'm just gonna put it like very high on the cheeks as well. Blend with the purpley shade of the eye. You know what? I like it. I like it. It might be too much, but whatever. For eyebrows, I'm going to use eyebrow soap. I feel like eyebrows should be very neutral, like natural neutral in this look. So I'm not gonna do too much. Lips should probably be sparkly as well. So I'm gonna line and apply lip plumper. This one's very shiny, so just on the inside of the lip. Yeah, I feel like a mermaid would have that. I'm just going to set my makeup with the setting spray. So that's my makeup done, but now let me ruin it. Let me explain. I feel like this is pretty mermaid-y, but I want to take it a little further, like a few steps further. So first of all, I'm going to add like a iridescent, oh, you can't really see this, iridescent eyeshadow. Can you see? I'm going to add a little bit on the inside corner where the green is. Ooh. And last but not least, glitter. I know I said I hate glitter. I hate cleaning up with it. I hate taking it off. I hate everything about it. It's Little Mermaid inspired. I have to do it. And I'm not putting a lot, just a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is actually magical. Whoever said they hate glitter, they're wrong. They should never say that again. See, the thing is, it is magical on my eye, but it is also magical on my hand, on my table, on all my clothes. You know what? A little more. I definitely had fun creating this look, and I hope you guys liked it too. If you did like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Till next time!